We've all been there. Unplanned downtime, killing your targets. Blind spots making you manage by guesswork. Data trapped in silos, and the nightmare of scaling up. Hi, this is Omni. I'm here to turn your trapped data into your most powerful tool. Stop fighting your systems and build on a single source of truth. We start by breaking the dependency between your devices and your apps. We eliminate the integration bottleneck. With a unified namespace, you connect once and consume everywhere, turning isolated data silos into a single, real-time source of truth. Turn your raw data into instant, actionable intelligence. The result? Your SCADA gets absolute visibility. The walls between IT and OT are gone. From the shop floor to the top floor, your data is finally working for you. But we take it further. We make your operation AI-ready. By integrating advanced AI agents into our architecture, we empower your workforce with instant intelligence. Your operators can finally ask questions and get answers in seconds, not hours. A single unified language for your entire plant. This is the UNS revolution. This is Omnicom. Dream it. We make it real.